Hi friends, I'm Nancy Novak and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. You can find me at www.stampandshout.com. That's where I have my blog. And I am a paper crafter and a card maker, and I use Stampin' Up products. And today I want to show you how I made this Valentine right here. This is made from the stamp set called Sure Do Love You, which is in the Stampin' Up Occasion Catalog on page 19. So it has a stamp set, and it also has coordinating framelit dies, so you can cut out the hearts and you can actually make a cute little box, and it cuts out the banner, and it does a few other fun things. So today again we're going to make this. So let me show you how we're going to do that. Let me clear this away. So we're going to need a piece of Whisper White cardstock that's cut to 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I have a piece of pink powder cardstock that's cut to 5 1/4 by 4 inches, and I have a piece of Designer Series paper, and this is from the Coffee Break series. So it's double-sided paper, and it's got a bunch of beautiful paper. So I am using this brown green type for my background piece, and this is 5 by 3 3/4. This piece here I'm going to cut the cats out from, and this is also from the Coffee Break Designer Series paper, and this is just a scrap piece. And see how it's double-sided. We're going to use this, and I have a scrap of this is, oh, I can't remember the name of it. I'll have to post it down below. Anyway, it's got the same colors. It's got the pink powder in it, and it's double-sided paper. I'm going to use that. I'm actually going to cut a heart out of it. And I also cut a heart out earlier from the pink powder cardstock. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is stamp. Let me get this out of the way. I'm going to stamp my banner, and I'm going to stamp it in Early Espresso. So let me find a scrap piece of Whisper White. Oh, here we go. Let's see, I've been cutting out lots of cats. Punching, actually. It's a cat punch. So I'm going to ink my stamp up with the Early Espresso ink. And hold it in place for a second. And there you go. And it's supposed to look like that. It's kind of got that little tarnished old look to it, which I really like. And I'm going to cut this out so it's a little bit smaller so it fits into my big shot. So there we go. We got that scrap that we stamped Sure Do Love You. And I have this little piece of scrap that I am going to cut the heart out with. So let me bring in my big shot. So we need to have our platform and a sandwich plate, and we can bring this in and lay the heart framelit down. You can position it wherever you'd like, and then we're going to bring this in, and I'm going to cut them both out at once. Sandwich that in and push it through the big shot. Let's see, I've got my heart and my banner. So all we have to do now is put it all together. So let's see, I'm going to snail this piece to my pink powder mat. I chose this paper because I thought it was kind of masculine, to kind of give a pretty, I can't say pretty if it's masculine, but a nice card for a guy. And then we're going to put our two hearts up here. And our banner's going to go here, and let me show you the cat punch. So I want the cats to go face each other. So I'm going to cut one cat out this way. So you just want to make sure you don't have any space showing, so you get the full cat punched. There's our one cat. Now I'm going to flip this over and punch my cat on this side. And now they face each other, just like that. So let's just snail this all on. This is quick and easy. Who doesn't love quick and easy, right? I have another Valentine I made earlier I want to show you. It's kind of similar to this, so stick around. Then we're going to snail our cats. Kind of look where they're going to be positioned. You want to make sure they're on the card. So we'll do this one first. So I'm just going to put some snail on him. You could use glue dots, you could use dimensions if you want to pop them up. And snail the other one. I just love this cat punch. And then we'll put our banner here. And I could just nail it down. I think I'll pop it up. So I'll put a dimension, 3 dimensions. So let's see, I think I'll kind of angle it a little bit. Okay, now let's put it on our card base. So we'll snail the back of this. So this is celebration time, so that means if you make a purchase of $50, you get to choose anything you want out of the celebration catalog. So that's always fun because you get a free extra stamp or paper or whatever you choose. So that's our card, and I want to show you one other card I made. It's kind of similar. This is the Designer Series paper called Painted with Love Specialty Designer Series paper, and it's gorgeous. It's two-sided. So at this one I cut one big heart, and I used my heart collection. I have the older heart collection. The one that's in the catalog now is called Sweet and Sassy Framelits, and there's a bunch of heart shapes and sizes. And so I just cut one big heart out of that Designer Series paper. This is Rich Razzleberry, and I embossed it with the stripes, the Simple Stripes folder. And I cut 2 cats out. Again, I used that Painted with Love paper, kind of all coordinates. So there's 2 different Valentines that I made to share with you today. I hope you like them. If you visit my website, www.stampandshout.com, all the information's there, so you can shop with me, stamp with me, or just contact me with any questions or comments you have about this card or any other thing regarding stamping. Thanks for visiting, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.